Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to find your Mailchimp API key. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password here. Click on Login. Now that you're inside your Mailchimp account, click on your profile icon from this corner and go to Profile. Click on Extras and hit API Keys. Scroll down a little bit and click on Create a Key. Give your API key a name, for example, Ben's Testing Website, and then hit this Generate Key button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is your API key. You can copy it just like that. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.